Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Netflix account. So first, you have to open your Google web browser or any preferable browser you prefer. And on the top section, we can see in the right here, in the URL section, type Netflix and enter it. And from the search we get, there's a Netflix website right over here. Click on that. And here we could see we will get an interface like this, and on the top right corner we could see there's a sign in option right over here. Click on that option as well, and we are required with our email or phone number as well as password. So in order to sign in, we have to either type our email or phone number as well as our password. And after you're done with it, you simply have to click on the sign in option right over here, and you'll be simply logged into your Netflix account. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.